In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Puma coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Puma coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher codes and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and some deals that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one, which is 25% discount of your next order. So all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get code. And this is the voucher code right here. All you need to do is just select this button where it says copy code. And you can use this one on your next purchase to get a 25% discount. Going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Grab On. And right here, as you can see, we have some promo codes as well. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with up to 45% discount. Simply select this button where it says coupon code, show coupon code, and this is the promo code right here. So all you need to do is select right here where it says copy code, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get a 45% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.